Welcome to New Phase Entertainment, where you will get reliable and authentic news that will keep you informed and entertained. I say a very big thank you to everyone who has been part of this channel and who has taken time to subscribe. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for notifications so you will always get alerted anytime we publish latest news or any of our other
So
uploads.
for this particular smoothie, we need 4 to 5 bananas plus fresh chopped ginger plus ice cubes. Okay, good. Then you peel the banana and put it inside the blender together with powdered milk. I'm using powdered milk and the ginger, the chopped ginger already added. So this is like just 4 banana peels. Okay, so this is going to do for 2 glass cups. So I think that's what I'm going to use with just 4 of these. Sometimes it could be up to 5. Okay, we're gonna add ice cube later. Okay, so this is just banana, powdered milk and ginger added to this. Okay, the ginger is beneath. Yes, so now we're going to add the ice. So this ice is not that frozen, but I'm just gonna pour everything because the liquid is also very important for the mixture. So normally if you use a liquid milk, that will be okay. You might not need much of that. So now we're going to put it on the blender straight away. So what we have here, okay, so that is blending. So keep it blend. You blend it until it is smooth. So all this won't take you more than 3 minutes. Yes, in less than 3 minutes you're done with everything. You peel the banana, you add the ginger, peel the ginger, then you chop it. You need to chop the ginger, then you add the ice, then blend. So this is ready now. Just check it out. Okay, so you can see that this is well blended and it looks so creamy. So you can see this really this is going to go for 2 glass cup fill. So I used to have it with my lovely wife almost every afternoon. Okay, looks yummy, isn't it? And so creamy. Banana and ginger plus ice. Thank you for watching. See you some other time. Bye bye.